Alright, go ahead and put your hands behind your back.
Me?
Yeah.
What did I do?
Put your hands behind your back.
What happened?
Put your hands behind your back. Palms together like you're praying. Awesome. Come here. Come here. Turn around. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. Put your palms together like you're praying.
Grab my purse off the
Again, you listen to me. You listen to me, not her.
when you get a chance, somebody gonna be able to know why we're getting.
Yeah, we're gonna go in the office and I'll let you know.
Okay.
Walk all the way to the end.
Do not walk too fast. I'm pregnant. My stomach hurts.
Follow in behind him.
October 26th, 2023. 2 women detained inside a Walmart for retail theft. One of them was going to leave in handcuffs. The other made sure she left in a felony. The initial stop holds up. Loss prevention reported the concealment and the officer had direct prior contact with both women inside the store. That is articulable, reasonable suspicion under Terry v. Ohio. No probable cause required at this stage.
Alright, nope, stand up, face the wall. You got any weapons on you, anything? Alright, wait. Because you're pregnant, I'm going to swap these cuffs to the front. Palms together like you're praying out front. Alright, have a seat. So, here's my question to you guys. You guys almost hit me earlier, right? You saw me. Right, but you saw me, right? So you knew I was in the store, right? Okay. You also realize that there's thousands of cameras throughout this entire store, correct? Okay. So, let's play devil's advocate. How smart is it to bag items without purchasing them and then putting them in a cart, concealing them without paying for them?
You talking about the house shoes?
In general, any merchandise.
That's it.
Right, because we stopped you guys. But I'm asking you a question. Is it smart to do that?
No.
You saw me.
I told her.
You also saw me.
Put them in the front because I didn't purchase them, but I have money to buy everything in that cart.
Okay, well here's the other problem. We also have you guys from another incident with your photos where you guys were not stopped because you guys pushed out before they were able to make contact with you. So at this point, today, you both are going to be trespassed from Walmart, nationwide. You're not permitted in any Walmarts at all, whatsoever. If they open one on Mars, you can't go to Mars and go to that Walmart either. We have facial recognition. I work this one, and I also work 62. If you show up at either one of my Walmarts, I will immediately arrest you and charge you for both theft, and I will also charge you for trespassing. You both have IDs.
Do I have my ID? I'll have to look.
What's your first name, ma'am?
I'm all right.
All right. What's your first name?
Michaela.
It was almost $1,200 last time, wasn't it? Easily a felony that I can still file warrants on.
Sorry. Excuse me.
The last amount that you guys pushed out, almost $1,200. Just because we don't get you the first time doesn't mean you won't get you the second time, or the third time, or the fourth time. But the time that you guys spend doing all this nonsense, you guys could be putting an application in somewhere for jobs and stuff.
I can't. I get that 6 hours.
You can still work. We have plenty of people that work here at Walmart that are on SSI.
Looks like the second one, Michaela, showing an activating warrant out of 10 for M1 domestic assault and obstructing. I'll see if there's a hard copy of the warrant and see if it's good.
Sounds like you might be going to the county anyway.
Common misconception: you do not have to walk out the door. Under the majority rule, concealment inside the store combined with intent to deprive satisfies the conduct element of retail theft. The exit is irrelevant to whether the crime occurred. The officer references a prior incident photos of both women pushing merchandise out before loss prevention could intercept. That prior conduct is aggregation territory. Most states allow prosecutors to combine values across separate incidents to reach the felony threshold. The trespass notice is legally binding. Verbal notice delivered in person is valid service in all 50 states. Any future Walmart entry by either woman constitutes criminal trespass, a standalone charge, independent of everything else from this night. Then the warrant check returns. Active felony warrant domestic assault and obstruction. Felony 1. The shoplifting investigation created the contact. The warrant closes it. Independent arrest authority, nothing left to debate. Atwater versus City of Lago Vista confirmed that full custodial arrest is constitutionally permissible, even for a minor offense. A Felony 1 warrant makes this straightforward. The Fourth Amendment question is settled. Front cuffing. The subject disclosed pregnancy. The officer moved the restraints forward consistent with detention standards and Prison Rape Elimination Act guidance for pregnant detainees. An accepted judgment call, not a violation, but it created a gap that the footage shows closing fast.
Nope.
The police
No.
take my phone. I might be going to the county.
Come on. We don't get to have conversations.
Sorry. I hope I can just get some people.
All right, Michaela, I got a warrant in hand. I'll fax it out to the county.
Copy, thank you.
So I'll be going to the county.
Okay. Does she have her paperwork? Is she ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get her out of here. Have her sign. Stand up. Turn. Hand on top of your head.
So for trespass, you can't come to any Walmart in the country, Sam's Club, Murphy Oil and Gas, parking lot, anywhere. All right.
No subways.
And
No stores
nothing
associated.
Inside, yeah, nothing at all.
Alright, you are free to take both bags and leave. You just have to leave the property. Is that who the DV is against?
You're for.
Okay. Open it so I can get the number.
You're for.
Okay, you're free to go.
Yeah, she can take my phone.
When you get out of the county, you're not going to have any way to contact anybody.
I'll use the phone.
Okay. Nope, 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 nope! Bring it. Fucking stop! You're gonna get pepper sprayed! Are you fucking joking?
No, I can't go to jail, please. I can't go to
Fuck!
Don't do this to me. Please don't take me.
Hey, go get my radio.
Please don't take me.
Come girl, I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant. Record her. Record her. She hit me. Record her. Cause I'm pregnant and I can't breathe. Get your hands behind your back. Get your hands behind your back.
I will once you quit doing that to my head. I can't breathe.
Get your hands behind your back.
Please.
Get your hands behind your back. You're gonna fight me. Get your hands
I'm
behind
not
your back.
trying to fight you. You already.
I got you.
She already slapped me.
Give me this.
I got you.
262, I got one. Fight me.
She ran from the police.
I can't breathe and I'm pregnant.
Okay.
I got you.
Here. I can't breathe and I'm pregnant.
All right, well, get your arm out from
Let
underneath
me get to the. Let me turn
No.
to my side.
No, get your arm out from underneath you.
Arm out.
Let me turn to my side.
Get your arm out, and we'll turn you to your fucking side. Why can't you listen? You have issues.
I can't breathe.
Yes, I can, because she asked me for assistance.
Please.
Yes, I can.
I got people surrounding me, please.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
An officer asked for
I
assistance.
can't breathe and I'm pregnant.
She is a cop.
Get the
We have multiple units en route.
Help me! Help me! Give me your arm!
Units responding to Walmart advice.
Please, okay.
Dude, get the arm. Like, listen, is it that hard?
No, I can't breathe on my stomach. Get off of me.
Shut the f*** up!
Get off of me.
Take this.
You got my arm.
262.
Give it 262.
One in custody. You can slow the other medics down. The other units down. Respond medics. Shut the fuck up.
My daughter.
All right, put your knees to your stomach.
Leave your butt.
My daughter.
Shut the fuck up and get up.
No, my daughter.
Look at me right now before you get another charge. Sit
I
up.
won't tell you how old my
Sit
kid. Please just give me back to my kid. I promise I won't come here no more.
Get the fuck up.
I won't come here no more. Just let me go to my kids.
Get in the car.
I want to go to my kids.
Bitch, can I still beat your asshole? I lost everything running out here.
I got your cam. Take your time. Take your time.
It's okay.
Prince, you're good. You're good. Good?
Yeah.
You're good.
Come back.
You're good. Here. You got it, baton.
Are you okay?
She's pregnant.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Come here. She slipped her cuff or didn't get one cuff on.
All right.
Again?
I want to go to my kids.
Turn around. Turn.
Are you all right?
Turn that way. Turn.
Yeah. We got to the ground and she just immediately.
I just want to go to my kids.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
That's not happening.
Just take this on me for a second. Jeez.
You're going to go to my kids.
Stop. Relax. Relax.
Relax. You already know how to fucking. You already know I don't even be causing trouble nowhere. You know that. You know that. Look at how they doing me. What the f? Get off of me. Just get off of me. Man, get off of me.
Ma'am, you're going to jail. Stop. Stop. You're going to jail.
Get off me, bitch. It's about when they cuffed. I would have been able to do shit.
Watch your foot.
What you doing?
Just take her to the hospital. Okay. Getting her into that is going to be a fight.
Yeah.
So just take her to Altman. I'll let them know.
I'll let him know.
We'll follow you out there, kid.
All right. What happened?
I fucking had her cuffed and she told me she was pregnant, so I cuffed her in the front.
Did you come out here?
No, in there.
She's in the office.
Oh, she's getting escape all day.
Okay.
But I had her cuffed in the front. I had her other friend here. All they wanted to do was trespass her. So, run her. She got warrant. She wants to pay. She's got to go. I told her friend, sitting there at the desk, I said, you can go, grab her shit and go. She slips her cuff and gone. Fucking come out here and I tap her to the ground.
2136.
Okay.
She is pregnant, I guess, apparently. I don't know.
Did she tell you she was pregnant before she ran?
Yeah.
I mean, when she was in the office?
Yeah.
Okay.
She slips the cuffs and runs. 3 elements of felony escape met simultaneously on camera. She was in lawful custody. She departed. Without authorization, statute does not require force to remove the restraint. Slipping them is enough. The recapture force falls under Graham versus Connor, 1989. Objective reasonableness from the officer's perspective at that moment, not in hindsight. Actively fleeing suspect, confirmed felony warrant, physical resistance. That combination is exactly what the standard accounts for. The subject states she cannot breathe and is pregnant multiple times. Under City of Revere versus Massachusetts General Hospital, 1983, officers hold a constitutional duty to provide medical care to detainees with serious medical needs. This is not discretionary. Officers called medics and transported her to a hospital. That response satisfies the 14th Amendment floor. Ignoring those statements after a ground struggle would have opened direct civil liability under Title 42, United States Code, Section 1983. Case outcome. Michaela pleaded guilty. 3 years of probation. $900 in court costs unpaid at publication. Prior record in the same county. Multiple violent offenses. The bodycam captured every element of every charge. The plea was the rational outcome. The officer receives a B. Warrant arrest. Legally grounded. Trespass notice properly executed. Medical care called immediately post-force. Front cuffing documented and defensible. The procedural fundamentals held throughout. That is a solid performance under real pressure. The verbal conduct during the struggle pulls the grade. Profanity under stress is understandable, but it creates department policy exposure and gives defense counsel narrative material in any civil proceeding that follows. Fixable problem. Not fixed here. Michaela receives a D. Valid felony warrant. Lawful custody. She slipped the restraints and ran, converting a warrant arrest into a standalone felony escape charge with its own sentencing weight. The footage left nothing to contest. The plea confirms it. Mariah receives a C+. Concealment conduct establishes participation. Prior incident suggests a pattern. No charges filed today that reflects prosecutorial priority, not an absence of legal exposure. The nationwide trespass notice carries real consequences beyond this night. Lesson 1. When a restraint accommodation changes the security posture, get medical presence in the room before releasing the co-subject. A medic on scene before the escape attempt would have added a witness and a second point of control at a critical moment. Lesson 2. Escape statutes do not care how minor the original charge was. The severity of what the suspect runs from does not cap the severity of what follows. She left a misdemeanor contact and ran directly into a felony. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.